Mura lang ma'am, South Hikaw.
Yeah, here we are in Sabang.
Tingnan mo.
Yan ang Pandora per sister. Maganda siya
Oh.
mag-regalo sister kasi mga sarili po namin yan.
Mag-picture lang tayo dun, oh. Yan maganda mag-picture. Yan yung underground river entrance.
Ready?
We're about to enter. Oh,
We're going inside
Now.
the cave now.
We're going to the Anus of Palawan. Oh, there's so many. Is that back?
Nasa baba. Garlic. Those are garlic. Ito, this is the cacao.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that's the cacao
Yeah,
for me. This is the sweet corn. Mushroom.
Oh.
Kuya, asa lang salad, kuya?
Sayote. Rambak. Bachay. What, ano ito? Pechay? Peanut. Yan, that's the peanut.
Yeah, there's a peanut.
That's the peanut. Eggplant. Banana blossom. Carrots.
what? Where?
In your eyes only.
Wala bang magpipicture sa bungad?
Dito, oh.
Papicture tayo lahat.
Diyan kay kuya.
Oo.
Kuya, dyan. Dyan sa pwesto mo. Picturean mo kami dito, oh.
Eh, doon pwede daw mag-ano ng mga boat doon.
Dito, oh, Lynn. Dito nga, bago lumabas tayo.
Palis
Di
na
ba
kami.
maganda yung lahat tayo? Nakita ko yung tenti.
This is going out of the cave.
Anak akin na, tama na.
Tama.
O, pasat ka. Picturean mo.
Dito ba?
Ayan, may ilaw pa, oh. May liwanag.
Palabas tayo.
Ayan, ayan, ayan. Dali. Oh, ganda, oh.
Lalabas sana.
Yeah.
Okay, good morning everyone.
Oh, ayan, picture ka lang yan.
Hindi na, against the lights na.
Kuya, can you look at mommy?
Okay lang.
Ay. Okay. Can go back.
Okay. Akin na, akin na, akin na. Selfie, selfie. Taas eh, taas eh.
Taas.
Taas mo yung kamay mo, ano?
Yung ibang boat ba?
Oh, yan ang mga tourist.